Hi folks, it is Thursday, November 26, 2020, and usually we use these Thursdays for topical deep dives for things like hardware reviews or software updates, but this week we're going to take a look at the gift guides we have planned. We've got a variety of gift guides that target different price ranges, age groups, and specific areas of interest, but to talk about them, I'm going to need some help, so it's time to make a call. Welcome. I think this is the first time that you and I are on camera together, so yeah, that's fun.
Crazy.
Yeah. So, like I've been telling our viewers, we're spending time this week looking at the various gift guides that we're going to have planned for cord cutters and streamers out there. We have it broken down by like pricing and various use cases and brands. So, I figure let's dive right into that.
All right, sounds good. So I did the under $25 guide, and I'm also going to be working on one for under $50 that should be up by the time everyone's watching this video. So my first product that I want to talk about is the Roku Premiere. So this one went on our under 25 list, which is awesome because normally the price is above 25. So we got it in there on a technicality. Very excited about that. And with the Roku Premiere, you get 4K streaming, which is awesome for this price point. So since we're also going to be covering under $50, some more of the Roku devices are going to fit into that category too, because they are all on sale right now.
Excellent. Yeah, and I'm also covering kind of the price bracket between $50 and $100, and then later on covering the fun category, 100 and more. Kind of the price is no object area, but within $50 to $100, again, we're taking advantage of those Roku sales. So some of their higher end devices get bumped down in price and fit under that $100 threshold. Case in point is their brand new Roku Ultra that they just released a few weeks ago. It's their new top end streamer, and we reviewed it on our site. And right now, it usually retails for about $100 even, but it's even lower right now. So if you want a new high-end Roku device, that's a great pick. Also, we've got options like the Roku Streambar, which usually is $129, $130, but it's also down to $99 for Black Friday pricing. And it's a compact sound bar with 4 speakers in it. It's got 2 speakers going that way and then like 2 surround speakers going outward like that. But it's also got a streaming device built in. So it's kind of like an all-in-one compact device, and it's now under $100. So also a good pick for streaming. Beyond that, we also have like the Tablo Dual Lite is also under $100 right now for Black Friday pricing. That's an over-the-air DVR that you can hook up to your antenna and then hook up external storage to, and then you've got local DVR recordings as well. So lots to pick through for the under 100 guide, and that should be going live as well right around the time that this video airs on Thanksgiving Day.
Awesome. Also, the Fire TV devices have gone on sale, so that's a really good Black Friday deal. On our under 25 list, we had the Fire TV Stick Lite, which is their newest one, but tons of Fire TV devices, including the Recast, is also on sale.
Yeah, we've just done another review on the Fire TV Stick and the new Fire TV Stick and the Fire TV Stick Lite. Not too much separates those two, but the Fire TV Stick Lite in particular, with that discount, is very, very affordable right now. So yeah, it could be a great option.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with gifting a streaming device, especially some of these smaller ones that are small enough to fit in a stocking.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's literally a stocking stuffer. The packaging, when we reviewed it, I had to laugh because it's literally like the impulse aisle packaging. It's just hanging there by the register.
Yeah, exactly. I mentioned that too last time I talked to Roku. I was like, I feel like you planned this on purpose just to be able to put that right in the stocking.
They know what they're doing, yeah.
Speaking of streaming devices, I had a really fun one on my gift guide that I'm excited about. It's an accessory. So if you're buying something for someone who already has a streaming device, I love these little Roku, Fire TV, and Apple TV remote covers.
I saw that, yeah.
Yeah, they're so fun. They're little silicone covers that just cover up your remote. They make it easier to hold, but more importantly, they make it easier to find. So if you're constantly losing your Apple remote, get one of these silicone covers to put over top of it. Some of them even glow in the dark. Love that.
Nice. Yeah, and that's another thing we've like discovered with a lot of these new streaming devices, like the Chromecast, the new Google Chromecast has a very comfortable rounded shaped remote, but it's very slippery. So having a cover on some of these remotes could come in really handy. Yeah.
Yeah, we hear that all the time about the Apple remote, especially. It's so small that people are losing it constantly. So this helps.
Nice. Yeah, another thing on my under $100 gift guide is a pair of Bluetooth headphones from Avantree. It's the AS9P, and it's Bluetooth, but it also supports the aptX low latency standard, and that makes it a good choice for anyone that wants to listen to TV sound discreetly, like want to keep the household quiet, but want to listen to like some action like late at night and that sort of thing.
So one thing I want to talk about kind of spans, I think, probably all of our gift guides, and that's gift cards, which I know is like the lamest gift you can give, but really it's kind of a great option, and especially this year. The gift cards start as low as like $25 for a Hulu one. We have the Fandango Now gift card also on our gift guide, which is great for movie watchers, but they can go up in value too. So if you want to splurge a little bit, but what's
Yeah.
really great about them this year is that you can send them digitally. So if you're celebrating far apart from your family members, just email them a gift card.
Yeah, I've got a couple gift card options in higher denominations for the under 100 as well, and yeah, they make a great gift. I mean, I'm personally a fan of gift cards because it saves me from having to make a spot decision about what I want for the holiday season. But yeah, for streaming services, they're great. I mean, obviously, more people are streaming right now than ever. Really, in my family, I'm trying to get my parents more into streaming because they're always asking about shows they'd love to watch like right now, rather than waiting on cable. And they'd be a great new user for Netflix. So maybe a gift card is the thing to get them on that service.
Yeah, definitely. And talk about a great stocking stuffer. If you're looking for a last minute gift, that's the one. One more gift that I have is kind of a random one. It might make some people wonder when they first see it, but I promise it makes sense, is a clock. I put that again on my under 25 list. And this is something that I've heard from cord cutters since I started at Cord Cutters News. One thing that people really miss about cable is the clock that comes on the cable box. It's something that
Oh
you
yeah.
don't think about, but having that little digital clock right there, super convenient. So I found a clock that is under $25. It has kind of a retro look, so you'll still kind of get that cable box vibe if that's what you're looking for. And you can just put it over beside your TV and get your clock back.
Nice. Yeah, it's funny what you get used to and then you miss when you like cut the cord, cut the cable, and that sort of thing. Yeah. Yeah. Under the 100 $100 limit, we also have a 2 pack of Nest hubs. Now, Nest hubs, they're like all-in-one smart hubs with a display on them. And this 2 pack makes it a great use for like having a display in the kitchen and another out of the way place. And these smart hubs, they control like smart home environments. They're pretty dang versatile, but they also support things like Netflix, so you can watch your shows while you're like cooking up a recipe in the kitchen or working on something in another room. So another 2 pack deal here from Best Buy for $99 for two 7-inch Nest hubs. And then beyond these two guides that we're talking about, we also have a number of guides planned for the rest of the holiday season. So we can talk about those as well. So we have the under $25 one that's already live, and then we have the 25 to 50 range, the 50 to 100 range, and then the over 100 range. And beyond that, we also have some use cases and some gift guides based on categories that we can talk about as well.
Yeah, so we have one coming out soon that is gifts for kids, which I'm really excited about. One of our writers, Becca, who's actually a mom, so she knows about buying gifts for kids. She made that one. We also have a guide for sports fans. We have a guide for movie fans. And then we have some really fun ones like gifts for Star Wars fans and Star Trek fans. So I'm really excited to put those together and get those posted.
Yeah, it covers a nice like age range and a lot of different use cases that'll come in handy. Like we also have like first time cord cutters, which again, my parents, I'm thinking of them for that as well because they're getting interested in finally cutting the cable cord, especially with price hikes coming. So yeah, it'd be a good guide for folks that are trying to get other friends and family to cut the cord as well.
Yeah, definitely. We have some really good stuff coming up.
And so there you go. There is a quick look at the gift guides we have planned for Cord Cutters News. Now, some of them have already been published and more are coming live in the next few weeks as the holiday shopping season continues. And of course, be sure to check out our Black Friday deals page where we'll continue to update with all the latest cord cutting and streaming deals throughout the season. And as always, thank you for watching, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. On Wednesdays, Jess hosts our live Q&A session with viewers and subscribers, and then we dive deep into a specific topic like hardware reviews and software updates on Thursdays, and then we wrap up the week in cord cutting and streaming news on Friday with Cord Cutting Weekly. And again, if you're celebrating this week, we hope you have a safe and wonderful Thanksgiving. Until next time, I'm Philip Palermo. Thanks again for watching. Happy holidays, and take care.